part where Jeff goes and changes himself to the collar.
That's right.
He ain't taking it down.
Any last words, Petey, your guardhouse?
It's flipped this house. It's gonna
Flip
be
this house. Jeff?
Do a better house.
Is that a tear I see?
Fight them back.
I think he's making himself a little platform.
Making the approach.
Making the approach.
What's the words, Jake?
Usually when a guy comes up like that,
He had him while ago.
all he sees is his ex-wife.
I will eat this column.
Yes. Be gone.
Mmm, rock tastes good.
Yes. A little crunchy. Tastes like chicken.
It's like Transformers.
Yeah.
Mongo, what for?
Oh, Gary. Hey, Gary, set your guard check, man.
Jake says, let me on that thing.
Yeah.
Just for 5 minutes, okay? Let me get the
He
refresher
take the
for you.
gates out.
Looks like he's trying to be gentle.
Yeah.
So much for gentle.
Somebody needs to give this guy an instruction in demolition. Sideswipe everything.
Rev that thing on up to
Just
6,000.
don't make it neat. Just kill it.
Come on, just chaos. I mean, screen door.
This is anticlimactic, Steve. I wanted like a back and forth. See, that's way too clean. I want more aggression, more frustration.
Yeah, let's see some more pinned up emotion.
Yes. Throw it. Throw it into the guardhouse. Yes.
Drop it through the roof. Jake was a destructive little guy. He knew when he was little, didn't he?
Yeah, that's something like that.
All right.
All right.
And he's going to peel the rock off. They got to separate that stuff. Probably use it for fill somewhere.
No, I must break you. Yeah. Oh, I hope they got the sound recording on this thing.
This house is nothing for destruction. All you need now is Will Smith and a kitty cat running around.
I must break you.
I must say, I did break you. There you go, squash the two balls. Go ahead.
Oh!
Hey, it's salvageable now. Just run over there and get it. There's my paint job. Yeah, you drained it all right.
I'm waiting for the water geyser to shoot up.
Oh, that's okay. I turned the water off on this side, so it shouldn't be anything coming out of there. 3 weeks to build, 3 minutes to tear down.
Who built that?
Huh?
Who built that?
It was
paying for this, are we?
You're enjoying it.
Oh!